Good day. I'm going to demonstrate FFT display and update rate for the common 2000 series oscilloscope. 3 oscilloscopes will be used for this demonstration, including Instek GDS 2000E, Keysight DSO X 2008, and Rigo DS 2008. First, produce a FSK signal from AFG 2225. Frequency is 500 kHz, 2 MHz frequency hopping, and FSK rate is 500 kHz. First of all, for GDS 2000E, FSK two-tone signals can be retrieved because it's for fast update rate. For Keysight DSO 2008, it has a slower update rate and only 1 K-point display. Therefore, FSK two-tone signals cannot be retrieved. For Rigo DS 2008, with the same problem as that of DSO X 2008, shows a great difference between its frequency domain display and real waveform. Now, we can clearly see that GDS 2000E provides better update rate and 1 mega FFT display to genuinely retrieve and show frequency domain waveform. This concludes my demonstration. Thank you very much.